and mothers that ending was put to the test. Once upon Central Park West.
Dear Santa, it's been years since I was a young girl living in the city on that street known as Central Park West. But I'm watching Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade on my TV. And of course, thoughts turn to you and the time when that miracle happened. Who knew how much my life would change after Mother replaced a tipsy parade Santa on that crisp November morning? It's hard to believe it was so long, long ago.
Unbelievable! She's too good to be true. What a hit! He knocked me out, Mrs. Walker. We owe it all to you.
Thank you, Mr. Macy. Just when I thought that Macy's Parade wouldn't have a Santa Claus, there he was. I had to hire him.
Unbelievable! Moms and dads will agree he's a hit. And they will buy Mrs. Walker. We'll soon make history.
If you say so, Mr. Macy.
This Santa is by far the best that I have ever seen. And now our shining star will return for Mr. Gimbal Green.
Oh, Mr. Sawyer. And how is everything in the personnel department?
Delightful. And speaking of personnel, this Santa you so spontaneously hired, why, he doesn't even need padding. But, Mrs. Walker, what do you really know about him?
Not all that much, I'm afraid. But if you have any questions, you can ask him yourself. There he is now. Hello, Chris.
Chris?
Kringle.
Chris Kringle?
All set for your first day?
The Macy employees are very kind, but you must tell Mr. Macy to rearrange the reindeer in your Broadway window. He has Daffy and Daffy.
Good morning, boys and girls. That jolly man from the North Pole has just returned from feeding his reindeer. If you wish to visit with Santa, please join the line that is forming next to our wide assortment of value-price games and toys. Thank you and Merry Christmas.
Danny, you wait right there while Mommy has her own talk with Santa. That's right. Stay there and don't move. So, Santa, it was very sweet of you to promise my darling Danny those expensive skates he's been asking for. Don't you know you can't find them anywhere? Not here at Macy's or anywhere else.
Ah, but madam, if you just head over to Gimbal's, you will find the roller skates your little Danny desires. And at a very good price, too.
I don't get it. Macy's Santa is sending me to another store.
What's more important, madam? December profits or a child's happiness?
I don't get it. It's really great, but I don't get it. Danny, where are you?
This way, Susan. The line for Santa is over here.
Why is there a line, Mr. Daly?
That's part of the fun. Why, Susan Walker, your mother works here and she never takes you to see Santa?
Oh, no. She says he's just for gullible children.
Well, I hope she won't mind that I brought you here when your sitter called in sick.
Oh, Mother won't mind. She's always much too busy working at the store.
Well, you must see Santa.
Why, hello there. And what's your name?
Susan Walker. What's yours?
Santa Claus. Oh, you don't believe in me.
My mother hired you. But I like your beard. It doesn't have one of the strings that goes behind the ears.
Go ahead and pull it. Ouch! You see, it's real, just like I'm really Santa Claus. And what would you like for Christmas?
My mother will buy me something. She gets 10% off. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Susan. And thank you for bringing her to see me, Mr. Gately.
Well, her mother wouldn't like it. I've grown rather fond of Mrs. Walker, but I feel that... Say, who told you my name was...
They need us, Mr. Gately.
Who?
Susan Walker and her mother. And Santa Claus needs them. If I can't convince them to believe in me, I'm afraid my time is finished.
Well, Santa, I'll do what I can.
Here's wishing. A wish speaks its own language, and Santa knows it well. So come and sit beside me with the wish you wish to tell. Come and whisper your sweet secret that you long for on my sleigh. A wish speaks its own language, and it's answered Christmas Day. What would you like for Christmas?
Dear Santa Claus, I have a wish I wish to tell. It's a dream I dream forever. Here's a hope I hope is well. Oh, I know how good I'll live, and just how good I'll be. And so I wish to find my wish beneath the Christmas tree.
¡Feliz Navidad, Papá Noel!
¡Feliz Navidad! ¿Qué deseas en esta Navidad?
Una bicicleta roja y brillante.
¿Te has portado bien?
Sí, me he portado muy bien, Papá Noel.
Bueno, escuche a su madre y Papá Noel verá lo que puede hacer.
Gracias, Papá Noel. Gracias.